One even bigger sound. Let's stereo pair your ULT speakers so you can enjoy true left and right channel audio. Works great for parties, movies, or just vibing out. You can only stereo pair two of the same model. For example, two ULT Field 5s or two ULT Field 3s. Mixing different models, stereo pairing won't work. Step 1. Turn on both speakers. Power on both of your ULT speakers. Make sure Bluetooth is turned off on your phone or device. Step 2. Enter pairing mode. On one speaker, press and hold the stereo pair button until you hear another chime. Do the same on the second speaker. They'll chime or say left on one speaker and right on the other when connected.
Left, right.
Step 3. Connect to your device. Now that the speakers are linked, open Bluetooth on your phone or tablet. Select one of the speakers and you'll get true stereo, left and right split. Now you're hearing the full soundstage. Just remember, stereo mode stays active until you turn it off or power down both speakers. And yes, this rocks outdoors too.